Hello guys, welcome back. I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. So today I'm making this video to just give a brief overview of our Telegram MedPerspect channel and how can you use this channel to its utmost utilization and how can this channel help you all out. Alright, so we'll be looking into it and I'll just be giving the brief overview of how to utilize this channel and how to make the best use of it. Alright, so we'll move on to it. So first of all, if you go to see, there are many messages available in this group, so it will become a really tough job to search and find all the notes and books. All right, so first things first, we'll always go with the pinned messages. So as you can see here, I've started with this pinned message wherein it says that decoding the papers of second year with analysis and evaluation, general approach towards them. Try to watch it once before you give exams. All the best. So there are 4 links to this and I've covered the full second year. If you want to, you can watch these videos on YouTube. Then this is like just a reminder of the group update that friends who have recently joined can watch these videos. They are same as well. So this was the tip related. This is okay. So this is the message which I want to emphasize more on, wherein I've discussed the channel update till date. So these are some crash courses to boost your preparations which we had made for second year and third year as well. So if you go on to second year and see, it's a digital crash course, your perfect revision plan before your second year exams. So it is a 15-day plan wherein we have decided and divided each important topics and we have given some daily targets to be done. So by the time you reach day 15, you have almost covered everything which you need to remember and revise for your examinations. So that could help you all out as well. Then the third year crash course, which are into 2 phases, you'll be able to find it that as well in the description. So now we move on to the most important part of our channel, which is the notes, the handwritten notes for your examinations. So we have the 2 years covered, second year and third year. If you want the notes for the first year, we have a different channel on it, which is first year guide on Telegram. So now we look into the second year notes and how are they made and divided. So this is just a full compiler of the second year writes notes which I had made. So in which we have covered bacteria, systemic patho, parasito, bacteria flashcards, important 5 markers for patho motivation, 2 markers and MCQ, general patho 20 marker, 2019 paper solved, all important parasites 5 markers, important parasitology notes, pathology 10 markers, 2 marker pointers, 20 markers, pathology final revision notes, clinical bacteriology, mycology, clinical parasitology, general bacteriology, patho practicals, general micro, virology, patho 20 markers, and patho 5 markers. Alright, so this is the compilation of the patho notes which we have made till date, and there are also notes for FMT which are available in the channel file section, which I'll be showing it to you all. So even if you go through the file section now, you will find that there are many notes available which I haven't compiled it yet as well. So you can just go through once in this files section. There are around 311 files available here. So materia medica notes, gynac, surgery and all that is there available. Alright, so you can see FMT 5 marks and everything is already available, 2 markers and everything which you need to prepare for exams. So then we move on to the third year's notes. So here's compiling all the notes of third years till date, wherein we have surgery theraps, third year paper pattern, gynac 5 markers, 10 markers, 20 markers, obstetrics 5 markers, 10 markers, 20 markers, surgery 5 markers, 10 markers, 20 markers, gynac 20 markers, surgery theraps, ENT theraps, opthal theraps, obstetrics theraps, gynac theraps, surgery 2 markers, obs gynac 2 markers, MM2 markers, organ 2 markers, complete menstrual disorders, compare and contrast, ortho notes, ophthal notes, ENT notes, MM notes for 5 marks, organ notes of philosophy, third year previous year papers, surgery important questions plus analysis, surgery worksheet, again obs gynac lecture notes, surgery lecture notes, some important paper analysis, third year remedies at a glance, pre-eclampsia, some important notes again, third year, sorry, third year, third year previous year's paper, analysis, worksheets, lecture notes, then we have third year unique, third year general notes, subject wise importance for third year paper pattern, complete handwritten notes of general surgery, gynecology, obstetrics, organon, and surgery important notes and group study systemic surgery are already available in our channel as well with different individual topics as well. So I've tried my best to compile and these are sufficient enough. Although my team's working on Theraps part, we'll try to provide you all the best Theraps notes possible as well. So this was the plan for second year and third year. Alright, so just I wanted to make sure that you all are aware of these things which are already available. You can always check the pinned messages. This is my father's YouTube channel as well. If you want to learn something about yoga, pranayam, meditation, you can do this. This is the analysis part which will be repeating more often. So there are many things which I had done. So yeah, this is it till date. Then in that also in between I had also put up my story of behind this med perspective. So this is the message which I was talking about, in which I'll be making a video soon when the channel hits big. So I'll keep this for later part. So yeah, this is it for that till date. So we have tried to compile all the notes possible. Our channel partner also, Doctor Study Materials, there are many notes available there as well, and there are many notes available everywhere. The only thing remains is your willingness and your discipline to study properly and study well, and always keep in mind the two aspects. One is studying for exams and one is for studying in life. So when you move on to the exam mode, this is the go through source. You can take the notes, pick up the notes, start reading them, start revising, start memorizing them, and start understanding them. And simultaneously, when you are studying for your life, your future practice as a doctor or whatever it may be, the approach will totally be different in that as well. So yeah, I think so that's that, and this was our main channel. So it's the med perspective platform is a platform to help students, provide them notes, guidance, show them the way, make them independent so that they can choose their own way. Our aim will always be to help as much as possible and make sure no student fails exams again. So this is the channel link wherein you can directly type MedPerspect universally, or I'll be providing the link in the description as well. So yeah, that was the main theme of this channel, and I'll now be concluding the video with the main theme of a YouTube channel as well. So here goes my YouTube description, which says, in my first year of medical school, I observed that many students were facing many difficulties due to vernacular medium. Some wanted to become doctors but had many barriers. I saw that many of my classmates couldn't make it through the first year. I couldn't help much because I was myself scared of the failure since I couldn't complete my papers in spite of knowing it. But as I came into second year, I saw many of my seniors had repeated years in many terms as well. So I decided that I'll try my best to help them uplift, help them break the barrier, help them rediscover themselves. That's how it started. I had seen failure from real close because my brother failed too in the first year. So from that day I decided I'll try my I'll try to do my best that no one else fails again. So we help students by providing them notes and support in our Telegram channel, one to one if need be, otherwise general, and if nothing, at least just read important stuff and pass and move on, since parents' hard earned money are important. It started with a few in mind, but today I am glad that it is helping many. Love, grateful to God and you all. So here's my Telegram channel's link here and Instagram page ka link too. And yeah, so I think with this we have covered. And also if I'm making this video, I'll also try to make the channels. Okay, so here it's not available yet. So you can check the playlist section as well. If you want to see the different videos on our channel, you'll be able to see the different videos, the playlist. I have segregated them properly, so you won't have to break your head for searching videos. All right, so yeah, with that said, I've tried to compile whatever I could for this Telegram channel, how to use it. You can also check our community tab whenever possible. You know, I keep posting all this important stuff here, the notes and everything which I post on Telegram, which is important as well. So yeah, you can check that as well whenever you get your free time, and always try to learn and upgrade your skills. All right, so with that said, I thank you all and all the very best. Thank you.